electricity demand is anticipated to grow 4 times from its 2015 level, whereas demand for other fuels such as biomass, coal, and natural gas will only be minimal. On a sectoral basis, the transport sector will have the highest demand in 2040, or 30.08 million tons of equivalent. As a likely result of the government's push towards industrialization and urbanization, the energy demand for the industrial and residential sector is projected to double or even triple by 2040. To provide for this growing demand, the total energy supply requirement is seen to reach the level of 134.2 million tons of oil equivalent by 2040, from just 52.2 million tons of oil equivalent in 2016. Fossil-based sources will continue to get the lion's share in the total supply mix. Please note from the diagram that other technology at 3.1% suddenly makes an appearance by 2040. This is viewed as the calculated result of DOE's pursuit of a policy that aims to develop technology-neutral energy sources in meeting the ideal proportion of 70% baseload, 20% mid-merit, and 10% peaking requirements for power generation. This is the so-called 70-20-10 ideal proportion, which is far from being a boxer's fighting record. Rather, it is ideal energy mix targeted by the administration as part of its inclusive growth agenda in the energy sector. Coal and oil's average shares for the outlook period will be at 33.6% and 32.1% respectively, whereas the average share of RE resources across the same period shall be at 28.2%. On the other hand, other technologies that are seen to emerge into the mix are also expected to contribute to total primary energy supply at 4.1 million tons of oil equivalent by 2040. As to the DOE's strategic direction for 2017 to 2040, the energy sector's strategic directions are aligned with the administration's vision of inclusive growth, high-trust society, and a globally competitive knowledge economy. In passing, they may be encapsulated in the following bite-sized elements: energy security, expanding energy access, low-carbon future, strengthened partnership, both local and international, consistency with plans and roadmaps, proactive pursuit of relevant legislative agenda, and strengthened consumer protection. Note that the paramount goal of ensuring energy security is the development of our indigenous energy resources. Such was the case when the Ministry of Energy was established and worked to develop our geothermal energy resources. We will continue to do the same for all our proven indigenous energy resources. First, you can trust that the DOE will remain committed to its prime mandate under the law: highly efficient, transparent, and free from corruption. We are determined to achieve the ideal and dependable 70-20-10 energy mix through massive infrastructure development with the indispensable participation of the private sector.